Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Let me turn on the light a little bit better. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So let's do a looser unboxing. I have bought a few things. So this one is facial mineral sunscreen. So I was thinking if it is mineral, it would be good. And also, I kind of like oh, there is Trader Joe's stuff because they are not too big, you know. And I think when I bought it, I could even try it. Sometimes you go to other store, you go to Target, you cannot try because for the understandable reason, right? They just cannot try. And if you can try, you may damage it. I mean, just to try to see the texture of it. And it feels quite covering, heavy, and it's metal, so metallic or something. Mineral. That would be good. Feels quite comfortable. And 睡觉吗? And so the other day I went to Sunnyvale, and I have 3 hours time, 3 hours waiting time, and I went to Target. Oh no, this one is Ulta Beauty. And something really touches me. When I entered, there are 2 ladies was just talking. They are from there. And one is telling another one to do this and that. And then another one, this other one, she wears black eyeglasses, large, quite large, not maybe butterfly, not butterfly, large eyeglasses and white hair, very pale white hair. And she said, "Oh, how can I help you?" I said, "I was just thinking, not yet." And I just walk around. She was just very friendly and greeting me. And you feel she's very, very nice. So I was just walking around, see this and see that. And I found this. I want to buy something very small, very simple, so that I can carry in my travel case, or even not travel case. I just like something small. And I always say you need, for me, I need 1 or 2 colors. That is good enough. 3 color is already confusing, and if 4 color, you may need a degree to use 3 or 4 or more colors. So I have hard time to use too many colors. Oh, I am not making it out. So it's too much. I have seen some makeup. Yeah, if you go to a makeup store, you see a huge box, red, green, blue, yellow, brown, any color. Who can use so many color in one face, right? It's just too much. Too much. I do not like. Oh, peel here. Oh my goodness. I did not even know to peel here. This is not right. So, yeah, so what I'm talking about, I forgot a little bit. Ooh, coming out, coming out. So, I do not want to buy too many colors. And you need a degree to use 3 or 4 colors. And then I remember there was one time one friend said, comment said, yeah, I can easily use 5 or 6 colors. I know, you are better than me, okay? Better than me. I know. Okay, almost there. A little bit. So she's very kind, and I bought it because it's $3. Usually in other place, the either ID app or something $4 or something, they are $3, and I know they are true to they are not overcharging me or anything. I know I'm a cheap person. $3 makes me happy. 3 and 5, $3.05 will not make me happy. Anyway, I feel this is quite something, so I bought this one. And then I walk around and I found this one. I like it because it's small. Oh yeah, we have to see this. Are we in the right zoom? Look at it. Look at it. Wow. This color seems pretty right for me. Dark color and a little bit of light. I think this is good. So I choose this one. And this lady, she's so nice. She looks very, you go to makeup store, you go to this kind of makeup place. People are dressed up or have the right makeup. They are really very professional, and I like to see people make the right makeup. I like people, women with makeup, whoever, man, woman. I like people with respect for their job, respect. They sell makeup. Of course, they need to do some makeup. And she did very professional and does not feel made up makeup. It's just a bit quite natural and brighten up. She really made everything the best of herself. And then I just went there to check, and then she said, do you have a phone number with us? I said, I do not have a phone number. She said, when the first time, if you put your phone number, you will get a discount, and on your birthday you will have a birthday gift, and if you buy up to $100 or something, you get a certain discount or something. Anyway, she spoke it so very clear because I do not know it, and spending $100 of makeup, it will take me 1 or 2 years or 3 years. So it's kind of no hope for me to reach that level of spending. But I do respect and I admire her. I admire her. So putting so much attention and taking so much pride in herself, in her job, in what she is doing, and pleasantly explain me everything, every detail, and she took pride of what she's doing. That is so empowering to an old woman who spent only $3 to buy a makeup. You know, I definitely I am not a valuable customer. I am not a worthy customer. But still, she, even seeing this, she's not disregarding me, not looking down on me, and still treat me with respect, not treating me lower down. And I was very, just quite touched by her professionalism. I do not know the motivation. Maybe because she can gain commission or something. But anyway, even if she make commission out of people who buy them, they deserve it, right? And just taking pride of their job, it's absolutely empowering, inspiring, very inspiring. So I think later on, if I do have another $3 to spend to buy a makeup, to another $7 to buy a chapstick, I will not go to other places. I will go to her or go to her store, because it's just not mesmerized. It's very contagious. That pride in job is contagious. It makes me to think of myself. When I do my job, when I am happy with my job, when I am happy with my painting, when I am happy with my my cooking, with my cakes, I was just so full of pride in myself, and you can feel it, that radiating out. And that's the story of going to Sunnyvale, Ulta. I do not know her name, with black, not this color, black, very stylish glasses, and very white hair. I do not know. She dyed her hair that platinum white, not platinum. It's a creamy white. Yeah, it's very sleek, very stylish. Love it, love it. Yeah, seeing people working, it's just so pretty. I remember when I was young, I had one. I heard one person, another guy I admire. He looks very sleek, very, very cool. When I was only 20 something, he said he liked to see people wear working uniform, the blue color. He liked. He loved them. He just so liked to see it, because people working with their uniform and look so sleek. And then I was thinking, there are so many places we can be so cool. In the airport, in the restaurant, people who put on the last garnishing, people who made the pizza, people who cook the dish, or who stir fry, and they have that intense focus, concentration, and pride. It's just mesmerizing. It's contagious. I am so yeah. So that's the looser unboxing with a little bit of a story of it. Yeah. So every day, if you open up your heart, you own the world. I remember there was one time I went to a party, and I forgot to show it, and it looks so. The color is so light, a little bit greasy. I think it's just right. I have some color a little bit too. Oh, this seems a little bit too soft. Maybe because today is too hot. Very, very pale color. Shimmering color. And yeah, so just what do I say? When you open up your mind, when you put the best of yourself, you own this world, everyone. You can be doing very humble job, making very few money, but you can own this world. There is nothing can put down our spirit. When you have the spirit of ownership, of an owner, of a leader, you are. Yeah, just inspiring. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goodbye, bye.